create an annotation from the hamburg menu, go to the master data and click on the annotation. Here you will get two options. One is create group and one is the copy. So first we will click on the create group, and here we will call it as new group, and we will give the date. Its validity should start from today and should end it by next month. A short description: this group is for demo. We will set the visibility as private, internal or public. So when it is private, it is up to the creator or resource owner. If it is selected internal, then all the internal users within an organization will be able to see this, and if it is set to the public, the users outside the organization can also see this. So we'll set it for the internal, and here demo text, submit. So now this way you can create a new group, and you can see that we have added a new group here.